Not a bad start. I don't know. I think my green one looks even better. And the taste is amazing. I guess I won't be able to try for myself. You have your own, Emma?
Okay.
Right. How silly of me. But you know what? This is far too small. I think it'd be smart to make it a bit bigger. No way. That worked like a charm. I hope the taste stayed the same. Yep. I made the right decision. And why not take things even farther?
Wow!
Whoa, this is heavy.
Huh?
I can't lift it. The competition just took themselves out, and I get to take the prize. No, 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 it exploded. What is on your face, Sarah? What's left of your Kit Kat? These are the prettiest Oreos ever. I suggest we make things interesting and make this into a game. With your eyes closed, your other senses are heightened. I just can't stop. I think this is my last cookie. All done. That was awesome.
Hey!
I want to give it a go. Be my guest. But first, I hope you like whipped cream just as much as you like Oreos. There's still something missing here. Colorful sprinkles. Duh. Now to put this in place and then refuel with Emma's serving. All right, I'm ready.
Okay.
What the heck is that? Huh? Tricked me, Sarah. Who's ready for another surprise?
What? Hey!
This is a terrible surprise. Ugh, how upsetting. I don't want to eat a lime. What if I just go for a lime-flavored dessert instead? Wow, perfect. This is doable. Huh? Excuse me, but you aren't playing by the rules. Why'd you toss out my little treat? Because you have a lime to eat. But it's so tart. Ugh, that is awful. And funny for some of us. That's it. I'm not eating any more of that. Take it away. Oh, come on. It couldn't have been that bad. You don't see me putting up a fuss about trying this.
No, they do.
Well, if I can catch it, he won't get away that easily. I'll reel the little guy back in. Ah, I caught something else. Ew, a stinky shoe. I'm throwing this back.
Hey, you!
No worries, I'll try again. A whole fish? Things just keep getting worse around here. But I think I finally hooked what I was fishing for. My shrimp. I gotcha. Now to finally take a big bite.
Huh?
Just one dish? That's strange. Let's open it up together. This isn't nearly enough for both of us. Don't be too quick to judge, Emma. You're right. Things are improving already. That's more like it. It's ginormous. Hold up, Sarah. Let's start together. Ouch, that hurt. I think think I might have a concussion. Something happened to our faces. Is this some kind of rash? What do we do? We need medical attention, and it's right here. Oops, no, don't need that. I'll find the proper cure. Another swing and a miss. This has possibilities, but I don't think we need to go there. This is what we need. Open wide.
Okay.
What delicious medicine. Whoa, and it worked like a charm. Now for you, Sarah.
Okay.
How refreshing. And everything is as it should be again. I've got noodles. And I'm looking at a green bag of Skittles. Watch this, Sarah. I'll show you how to properly prepare these. Voila! They're ready.
Wow.
You're a real master chef, aren't you? I hope they turn out tasty. Well, did they? I can't get a good bite. These chopsticks are not working with me, so I'll ditch them. Wait, are you stuck? I'll help you. Why would you do that? Now I've spilled all of my noodles. There was no need to interfere. I was just trying to help.
Hey!
I guess it's my turn now.
Wow.
Ow! What the heck was that? What? Is it gonna happen again? I'm about to find out. Yikes! That's it. These candies have pushed me too far. Why'd you dump them out?
Wow!
So I can find the green ones. They won't shock me. Yum. Then the pink ones are safe for me. Let's help each other out.
Okay.
You've got a pizza, and so do I, but mine is much worse.
Hey, you!
No kidding. It's covered in veg. Gross. And yours is sugary goodness.
Hey!
No point in staring at mine. You've got your own portion. This is simply revolting. Ugh, I could never be a vegetarian. Not ever. Sarah, what's all that? I don't know. Give me a sip of soda. Quick. Maybe it'll help. Oh, thank goodness. Phew. Happy to help. Now I can get down to business at long last. Just as good as I'd hoped. Ooh. I don't doubt it. This is heavenly. Sarah, don't you dare. That really hurt. Well, then maybe you'll think twice about trying that again. Oh, I almost forgot about my soda. It's everywhere. That's what you get, Miss Greedy. Hold your horses, I'm first. How about we look together?
Okay.
Now that's a burger. I'm gonna be stuffed.
Wow. Huh?
But enough chit-chat. Time to dig in. Learning some proper manners wouldn't hurt you. Sarah, you're covered in ketchup. Here, take this. Oh, thanks.
Okay.
I'll be using this opportunity to pull a little prank on my friend. First to chew up lots and lots of gum. And then I'll stick it right in Sarah's burger. I'm ready to continue. What's so sticky in here? Ew, gum. Emma, did you put this in here? Me? Never. Gross. I'm not taking another bite. That means I'm up. These deconstructed mini burgers look normal enough, but they're so small. Mmm. But the taste is out of this world. Sarah, I know you're dying of jealousy, but they're all mine. Is that how it is? Then I've got something for you. What do you think of a prickly cactus? More, please. Oh no, this sucks. It's all on the floor now. But now we have a rather unusual burger cactus. Fun. Oh man, I think we ate through our whole stash of candy. Nothing but wrappers. Oh wait, I think there's something in here still. Austin, look!
What?
Thanks, Sarah.
Enjoy!
Huh?
Wow, that just kicked off a challenge. Let's see what we've got.
I see you're not so happy. Maybe you want to swap?
I'd love to. Now let's lift these lids. Pink Fanta, this is my favorite. It's got such a rich flavor. And it's nice and cold, too.
Hold up, man. I want to try mine too. And we both got fun little cups to go with our soda. Hey, they're edible.
No way! Then I'll follow your lead, Austin. Cups made out of Jell-O? This is awesome!
I take it you like yours?
Yep, and I've got another course for us to enjoy. This packet is for you.
Pop Rocks, nice.
Okay.
Let's see how powerful they are. I'm gonna sprinkle them right onto my tongue and wash them down with Fanta.
Wow, that looks like a great idea. Austin, you were right. They go together perfectly. Looks like he's still out of it, and that means I can snag his cup.
Hey, what gives, Sarah?
Sorry, but you weren't eating it. I didn't want it to go to waste.
You again trying to grab other people's food? You've got your own.
A pink cake? Not bad.
I hope that I've got the same. Only blue, of course.
Wow!
I'm ready to dig in. Sweet and tasty.
Well, since it's so wonderful, why not go ahead and dive in face first, Sarah?
My face is covered in frosting now. You just wait. You'll pay for that.
What?
Things just took a pretty serious turn, Sarah. Take this!
Good fight.
I suggest you give up already. I will beat you.
In your dreams. I think we're an even match.
You might be right. Neither of us are in a great position.
The silver lining here is that the frosting is good. Why are you laughing?
Because we look like a couple clowns.
This time, you start us off.
If you say so. Wow, suckers.
Wow!
I want some of those.
Sarah? Earth to Sarah? You okay over there? Alrighty then, I'll just focus on what's in front of me. All this candy to be exact.
Will I be just as lucky?
A pomegranate? How do I eat this? Sinking my teeth into it isn't an option. Austin isn't having any problems like this.
But hey, I think I know what to do here. And front and center will be a big, sharp knife.
Take that, you tough fruit! Oh, Sarah, what are you doing?
I'm taking out my frustration in a productive manner. See? I told you I can handle this. Now I can finally eat a bit. Just lovely.
Help! The suckers won it together, and they're stuck!
Calm down. I'll get it out.
Oof, this isn't at all that easy.
Got it. How in the heck did this thing fit in your mouth in the first place? Wanna hug me and thank me?
No thanks, but I will take this back.
You are so ungrateful. How about we lift one another's lids? 1, 2, 3, go!
A donut with blue frosting? Fine by me.
I don't see why you're so excited. These donuts are so small.
Better than nothing at all.
That's true. And it is yummy.
You got that right. And you were also right when you said they were too small. Where's my pump? I'll just increase the size of this sweet treat real quick.
What are you doing, Austin?
You'll see.
Wow, that's amazing!
It worked. This size is much more to my liking. And the taste is still as good.
Austin, hand me that pump. I want to try your trick. Now for some elbow grease.
Sarah, I'm afraid that might have been too much. Don't open it.
So much frosting. Oops, that wasn't exactly what I was going for.
How about rock, paper, scissors?
All right.
Scissors beats paper. I'm first.
Wow!
Oreos of blue frosting. Score!
Can I try one of them, please?
Nope, nothing blue for you.
Well, fine then. What do I have? Raw bacon? The only person who can fix this is a good chef.
What?
Bacon?
Okay.
Not bad. I can fry this up quick as a flash. That cooked up real nicely, didn't it? Man, I'm good. I'll send this back to whoever ordered it.
Wow!
Now that's what I'm talking about. This is something I will now happily eat. But first, I'll add some spices to it. There, all ready. So crisp and delicious. Bacon is a culinary masterpiece.
Yeah, well, my cookies are still better.
Someone's here. Austin, go open the door, would you? This is my chance. I won't pass it up. Oreos, classically delicious. Oh, if only I had milk too. Oh well, I'll leave this last cookie for Austin, but fill it with a surprise.
Okay, I'm back. Where'd my food go? Hey!
I ain't touching anything, I swear.
Very convincing, Sarah. At least there's one left for me. Gross! What did you do? Hey! Come on!
I just wanted to treat you to a new flavor. Jack loves puzzles of all sorts, and he likes it best when he can sit in peace to work on them. Too bad his two giggly friends have appeared as if from nowhere, but things are about to get so much more interesting.
What?
Come on.
Hey!
All right, no point in wasting time. Let's begin. Today we've got round, square, and triangular foods. Emma, what's that then?
Oh, really?
Cheese. Yum. Jack has chocolate, lucky guy, and Katie loves chips, so she's just as happy as the rest. Our contestants are ready to dig in. Place your bets. What do you think we'll be able to finish first? Katie starts things off. She was so quick to do so. She didn't even spare a thought over the idea those chips could be super spicy. No such surprise for Jack or Emma, but let's see what happens next. Emma has finally understood that she got served stinky cheese, not exactly what she was hoping for. That means she's going to have to get creative to tackle her dish. I recommend you all stow this approach away somewhere for future use.
No, they do.
Her method allowed her to down her dish first while Jack and Katie start to really rush. Too late, guys. That was fast. Jack came in a close second while Katie barely made a dent in her plate of chips. Bummer.
I got it!
Forget about the past, guys. It's time to move on. This time around, Jack is less than pleased by what's on his plate. And the others? Wow. Oreos and cake beat wasabi any day. Emma knows the proper way of eating those cookies, but Katie is a bit stumped as to what to do since she doesn't have a fork. Jake is dreading this round, but Katie is clearly enjoying stuffing her face with cake. Yum. Just look how happy she is under all that frosting. Jack figured out a way. Wasabi is meant to go with sushi, right? There's the problem solved. Everyone is super focused, but there's no telling who will win. The underdog Jack surprises us all. He had the worst dish, too. Well done, man. That was impressive eating.
All right!
Oh, that isn't a raw egg yolk, is it? Right next to that is an amazing sandwich. But Jack shouldn't be so fast to pick it up and eat it. Katie wants to remind him how one's meant to behave during a challenge first. Bingo! And actually that sandwich is hers now, not his. Bingo!
What?
Sorry, Jack. You snooze, you lose. And you've got an empty plate now. No point in arguing.
What?
It just wasn't meant to be. Make your peace with it, and who knows? Maybe that was actually for the best?
Oh no!
See? The thing was stuffed with sardines. Ew.
Hey, you!
Serves Katie right for trying to be so sneaky though, doesn't it? Jack is happy as can be that he was able to sit this round out.
Yes!
Ooh, chips of all different sizes and flavors. Here's hoping they all got their favorites. Emma seems jazzed. Jack's got interesting square ones, and Katie has some rather familiar chips. Remember what happened last time? Ew. No, she won't be making the same mistake twice, thank you very much. Now the other two are attacking their plates of snacks.
Okay.
Go! Jack isn't messing around anymore. He's decided to shove as many chips into his mouth as humanly possible. Interesting. But that sort of tactic can honestly be dangerous. Good thing Emma is here to help. Phew, Jack's out of the woods. Emma turns her attention back to her plate and realizes that she's actually got a pretty good chance of winning. She takes her moment and beats them all.
I got it!
Oh, baby.
Moving right along with our geometrical challenge. Why is Jack laughing at Emma? Oh, I see. She's got an empty plate this time. The other two have something really tasty waiting for them. Ham and pizza. Oh yeah. But Katie spots a mistake. Round pepperoni slices? No, not for her. Emma, heads up. Incoming! Well, that worked out nicely.
Well, thank you very much.
She won't go hungry at least, and judging by her face, the pepperoni turned out to be finger-licking good. So good, in fact, that she inhaled all 3 pieces in record time. Katie and Jack are not happy about her victory.
Aw, forget it.
Who turned up the heat? Whew, thank goodness, ice cream will help. Each contestant gets their respective shapes. Crap, it's so hot everything is melting already, but the dessert still tastes good. Get to eating already, you guys, before you're left with nothing but a puddle.
Mommy?
But wait, maybe some toppings are in order here. Aha!
Gotcha!
Oh, really?
Whipped cream, ketchup, and Tabasco. The good, the bad, and the ugly. Go on, you guys did say you were up for anything. Well, here you go. We'll just watch.
Okay.
Emma layered on so much whipped cream that you can't even see her ice cream anymore. Her co-contestants are going for the exact opposite. They want to add as little of their sauces as possible, and a small fight breaks out of the situation with terrifying results. Ketchup and hot sauce? Oof. Jack and Katie are trying to prepare themselves mentally. Oh, Jack needs help. He needs to get that taste out of his mouth now. Whipped cream ought to do the trick. Katie is not going to be trying her portion. Emma's on a bit of a sugar high, it seems.
Gotcha!
She's going a little crazy with that can of whipped cream.
I've got it!
Oh, and she won. Again, by the way. But that was to be expected this time, really.
Forget it.